Friends, when we think about going after that bigger, better, more profound, deeper future, a lot of us will hold back because we think we're not ready, that we lack confidence. But I want to challenge your thinking and suggest that the solution to a lack of confidence is that we need to go pro. Too many of us make what I would call an amateur mistake in our thinking. In other words, we mistakenly think that confidence is the prerequisite to taking the action that's going to help us achieve our dreams. Let me tell you what pros know to be true. Pros know that taking action is the means to actually gaining that confidence. So if you want to gain confidence and move towards your dreams, take action. What would it look like for you to go pro today and begin to take those first baby steps towards that life that you dream about?